Should you become a Kaspa Maxi? Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris and today we're about to do our typical daily update about what happened since yesterday in the Kaspa price, in the rank, in the market cap. We're about to see the Hashrate, which before a couple hours guys we saw a new all-time high, which is astonishing. Also we're about to do our typical technical analysis. I'm gonna end up the video if you should become a Kaspa Maxi or not. So if you're interested to know all of these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to clarify you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever that you're going to see in this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And guys, if you're a Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa holder, or Kaspa investor, I recommend you to subscribe to my channel because daily I upload Kaspa videos where I try to educate you, to inform you with the latest news in the crypto market around Kaspa. So as you understand, it's going to be very beneficial for you to have a subscribe to my channel to know all of these things by first hand. It's highly recommended. And guys, do not forget to check our group WealtNET, where here you're about to find elite crypto investors, like-minded people, where we are investing, we know what we are doing, and you're gonna see that it's not just a buy and sell signals group, it's far deeper than that. We have educational content. We are trying to build you a proper investing mindset, a proper investing crypto mindset, where you will be able to handle the situations, not just to listen blindly, buy and sell signals. We got multimillionaires, we got crypto experts, crypto YouTubers, business owners, very elite successful people inside of that group. And since you join, you're gonna understand by first glance with who you're gonna chill out inside of this Discord group. Okay, if you're interested to enter, you will have to send an email to wealthnetcrypto@gmail.com. You will have to write us a brief introduction about yourself because it's not for everyone. This group is not accessible for everyone, no matter if you're willing to pay us like 10,000 a month to enter. If you don't have the proper mindset, the proper mind to enter, you won't enter, okay? It's not about the money. But if you are accessible to enter, for the first 50 people, the price is gonna be only these $250 per year or the lifetime, which is $750. Guys, these prices are for very limited people. Maybe the next coming days, this price is gonna raise, so catch your position before you see these prices into higher levels where you're gonna freak out. Because guys, at the peak of the bull run, the most important part of your crypto journey is where you're gonna take profits. And let's be real, it's at the end of the day, player versus player. My goal as Chris and also the goal of the other members of the WealthNet is to make you wealthy. Every single member of the WealthNet is to become wealthy. Okay, this is our goal, and through the help of each other, we are about to succeed that. So at the peak of the bull run, where we're gonna take the profits, the price is gonna look like crazy, like 20, 50 times more than now. Okay, WealthNet has an approach of an investment. If you enter now, you're gonna benefit for your whole life with these prices. Otherwise, if you join later, you're gonna have to pay lots of money. Okay, learn from experienced people who have already succeeded in the crypto field right now. Enjoy a wealthy life and surround yourself with sharks, not with fishes. Here are the benefits: 1 year access and lifetime access. Send an email here and the guys from the support gonna guide you if you're interested to enter. They're gonna send you also this PDF. Anyway, without losing more time, let's get back to the video and start our typical update about what happened since yesterday in the Kaspa price. Guys, as you can clearly see, Kaspa is starting exactly in the same position, a little bit higher than yesterday, 0.047 cents, which is quite bullish, I'm not gonna lie. We are starting in this area for a couple long. You can clearly see that we are very close to 5 cents again after the drop that happened from the new all-time high. Kaspa cannot drop that easy, okay? It's obvious. So this is a sign of strength. Market cap 983 million. Guys, we are a slide below the 1 billion. Don't wait to see Kaspa at 700 million because we are very close for a sudden pump. And if the sudden pump will happen, I believe that we will never see Kaspa under 1 billion again. I believe this prices, this market cap under 1 billion is only for very few days, okay, or weeks, who knows. With a sudden pump, because as you know, Kaspa is a fundamental project, and We have lots of great news that are about to come from exchange listings within Rust upgrades or whatever can pump the price a lot up. Okay, one good exchange event right now, if invest in Kaspa and make the announcement, Kaspa can rise up to like 6 cents very easy. Okay, very easy. I expect to see Kaspa, guys, like under top 30 very soon. Okay, and to remind you, I have been saying these things when Kaspa was top 100. I was calling you that Kaspa will be under top 60, under top 70 anytime soon. And as you can clearly see right now, is ranked 44. Our competitors are backed by top tier exchanges, almost every top tier exchange, and Kaspa is where it's standing only by 3 to 4 medium to low exchanges. That's sign of power. Okay, I repeat these things every day because you need to realize how powerful is Kaspa in a bear market. In the bull run, when all the investors will know about Kaspa, all the crypto investors will know about Kaspa, all top tier exchanges will invest in Kaspa, then Kaspa will be easy, I believe, in the top 10 in the next bull run. Okay. Anyway, let's move on into the Hashrate, because Hashrate right now is standing at 27.14 petahash per second. Before a couple hours, we reached a new all-time high close to 28 petahash per second. And as you understand, guys, it's going exactly as I was expecting for. I told you before, like 4 weeks, that Kaspa by the end days of September, it's gonna reach very close to 30 petahash per second, and we are getting there. Okay, I believe we can see a new all-time high by the last day of September, approximately at 30 petahash per second. But we are about to see new batch of ASICs into the Kaspa network, so that's gonna drive the petahash even more up. And if you think about that, the early days of August, we had approximately 5 petahash per second, 4 to 5. It was the fluctuation. Right now we have almost 6 times more than we had in early days of August, last days of July, which is something very positive for the health of the Kaspa network. And let's move on into the technical analysis, guys. As you can clearly see, Kaspa right now, it seems that is forming a bear flag. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, it seems that this kind of situation that's forming here is looking like a bear flag with a technical price target at 0.03736 cents. But I believe that the 0.042 cents is very strong to break. Okay, I don't believe that we can break the 0.042 cents, but it's even harder to break the 4 cents area. Okay, and for those who ask me, the worst case scenario for me, is the 0.03839 cents. I cannot see Kaspa below that. This is the worst case scenario. Okay, I don't believe that this support line, which is forming from June, is able to break. I believe it will stay unbroken forever. Because if Kaspa will pump to 6 cents, then maybe it won't have any kind of retracement that low again. So the other scenario is to form here, guys, with this drop. If this bear flag gonna play out, we're gonna have a beautiful formation of a follow wedge. This is how I believe from the technical side Kaspa can pump to the upside, okay, with a follow wedge in this current situation. But as you know, I don't rely on technicals. I just make an estimate prediction with a combination of technicals and fundamentals. But let's see how we're gonna react here, and we're gonna evaluate again the situation with a new data that we're gonna have. I believe that Kaspa anytime soon can pump to the upside, no matter the charts and patterns. But if we're gonna move through technicals, I believe that Kaspa will break to the upside because of a fall wedge pattern. Okay, this is where we are going right now for a fall wedge pattern. This is how I view the things. Anyway, that's from the technical side. Nothing changed significantly since yesterday. We are like in a consolidation the last 4 or 5 days. Nothing significant in the price action. We're waiting either to pump or either to dump. Let's see what's gonna happen in the next coming days, and let's move straight into the topic of the video. Should you become a Kaspa Maxi? Because this is a very controversial subject. Some people say yes, some people say no. Diversify. Guys, I have to tell you that in the crypto space, you don't need that much diversification. You need to find 1, 2, 3 max projects, and for me right now we have only Kaspa and Bitcoin. There is no third project that has some reliability. You can play out like with the percentages of growth. For example, if some projects have got some space for growth, so you can play that and invest a very small amount of your portfolio into that project. If the price is gonna pump up, you can grab the profits and put it into your main projects like Bitcoin or Kaspa. But in general, you need diversification in general, okay? For example, not only crypto, but in crypto, for me personally, you don't need the diversification as the other people say, like to buy 10 different cryptos, 15 different cryptos, to have a portfolio with 15 different cryptos. I disagree with that. Okay, you can have like only Kaspa or Bitcoin and Kaspa, and you can diversify like in real estate, in watches or whatever. Okay, you don't need to diversify in cryptos, because in crypto, like the 99% of projects gonna disappear in the next coming years. It's gonna stay only the real ones, only the projects that have some utility, some value, some something that people will use this. Okay, anyway, let's start with, should you become a Kaspa Maxi? First of all, guys, you need to understand exactly what you are holding if you are willing to become a Kaspa Maxi. Otherwise, you're about to have a very bad nightmares with the volatility of the price, something that won't be so healthy for your mental health. So please don't do stupid blind investments with your precious money, because you are going to end up getting wrecked. Sit down, read everything, understand some investing principles, understand Kaspa fundamentals and why it's better than everything else, and then maybe you are ready to go to become the next Kaspa Maxi. Kaspa is the best project that has ever been created in the crypto space since the operation of the Bitcoin. It's far better than Bitcoin and every other altcoin that exists so far. Also, because it is early, it has crazy space for growth. Even from now, there is a space for 1000x. Okay, because for me, Kaspa is a $1 trillion asset, even if we are still early. I have conviction for this belief, and I don't speak for 2025, I speak for general. Okay, I see Kaspa that can be a $1 trillion asset. That's why the biggest percent of my portfolio is on Kaspa, and that's a lot. Okay, otherwise I wouldn't be here to speak for all of these things around Kaspa and make like a channel dedicated to Kaspa. Should you become a Kaspa Maxi is gonna be actually the straight question. Depends. For me personally, at this point that we are standing, if you have less than 6 figures to invest, then you can become a Kaspa Maxi easily. Okay, not financial advice, obviously, do your own research for that. But if you have above 6 figures, and let's say $400,000 to be more precise with numbers, to buy like 350 Kaspa and back that with 2 Bitcoins or even 1 Bitcoin, it won't be that big deal. It won't break your investment. Okay, it's not that bad at all. If you think about that, okay, it's not bad to buy like 1 or 2 Bitcoins, because guys, 350,000 of Kaspa will get you almost straight into a whale category. Okay, it's a SAR category, but you're gonna be very close to be a whale. Don't stick that much with numbers, categories, or titles. And as I say here, don't focus that much on titles, like to say everywhere, I'm Kaspa Maxi or whatever. That's bullshit. If you're investing that huge amounts, 6 figures and above, and back to your investment, like with new project like Kaspa, with an old commodity, which is operating for 14 years and is leading the world crypto market, and it will continue to do that, it will be safer at this moment. Okay, if Kaspa goes to 0, which I give it a percent like 0.0000001 to happen, and Bitcoin to $250,000, you won't lose your investment. Okay, you backed your investment with something that was already operating for years. Because let's be real, if Kaspa goes to zero, it's not the same to lose $400,000 with 40K. Okay, it's not the same. So my principal philosophy that I applied since my early years, and I would like to share it with you, is that the more money, guys, you have, the more safe you should go. The less money you have, the more risk you should take. Yes, you have to take risk if you are looking for life-changing results. Okay, this is exactly what I believe. This is my approach. And if you ask my opinion, this is exactly how I would plan my investment if I were you. And let's move into the next question. Will I ever be Kaspa Maxi as Crypto Chris? And my answer is yes. If Kaspa will be upgraded to DAGKnight from GhostDAG and also be written to Rustlang from Golang and see this astonishing performance in the mainnet with an incredibly fast block creation and the high throughput of transactions into the network without any flaw or whatever, after a perfect bull run of 2025 in the bear market of 2027, then at that time I will become a Kaspa Maxi, because personally, guys, I believe Kaspa is far better than Bitcoin. So if I would have to choose one asset right now to hold, that's gonna be Kaspa, because it's better. But I'm waiting to see the project to be completed. And as you can clearly see here, because at this point Kaspa, and I'm speaking for 2025, 2027, as a project will be completed. Right now, it is still under construction. Okay, we estimate that everything is gonna move smoothly. If everything gonna move smoothly, then guys, definitely I'm gonna become Kaspa Maxi by the next bear market. But still, you can call me Kaspa Maxi because it is my biggest conviction, and also my whole portfolio is on Kaspa, with the difference that personally I backed my Kaspa investment with Bitcoin. So guys, don't rely that much in titles like to become well, to become a Sark, or to become like Kaspa Maxi or Bitcoin Maxi or whatever. That's bullshit. It's not serious things to rely on. And a bonus here I would like to tell you, for those who don't know, until I found Kaspa, I was Bitcoin Maxi. I had a very smart strategy that I was investing in altcoins to make more Bitcoins in all of these years since 2016. But my main focus was to multiply my Bitcoins, because altcoins had bigger space for growth and still have. So I was exploiting all of this bigger space to multiply my Bitcoins. I was always taking profits in BTC. Thank you, Crypto Chris. And that's the video, guys. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. Also, for the people who ask me, Chris, where you store your Kaspa, guys, I store in a cold storage. This is the safest way to store your cryptos in general. No desktop wallets, no web extensions, wallets, none of that, okay? Cold storage is the safest way, and I prefer, after heavy investigation, the Tangem wallet. I ended up to choose Tangem wallet. I was ex-Ledger user. After the seed phrase scandal, I tried to find an alternative, and I ended up to choose Tangem. Highly recommend it, okay? I'm very satisfied with my Tangem wallet. And if you're looking to buy Tangem wallet for yourself, with Crypto Chris code, you're gonna have 10% discount off. So it's gonna be great for your pocket. Or by clicking the link here, you're gonna have this discount code Crypto Chris applied immediately, and you're gonna get the 10% off. Highly recommend it. That's a video. Thank you so much for your support, guys. Appreciate you for every like, every comment. It means a lot to me, and I will see ya all in my next video. And until my next video, your boy Chris out. Bye.